Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Manuel Badwar hene kasngi uloong bana ka Liang ka Seng kamdon Jingkhlaiñ namar baka Seng hi kaladon lupa ya ka jingtip halor ka jingmino uba Ronnie V Lingdo ubade UMLA ka Millennium constituency na ka Seng Congress ban penyaso bat ka National People's Party uba Manuel uloong ru baya uba Ronnie la ithu lupa na duo kapor badon ka jingalap election MDC MLA baula penpau shai yo letse baula kwa ban mi no na kaseng bat ban penyaso no bat kiwei ki party ha kabayade bat kani uba Manuel ula pensngo baki kertong hi ki bami na kaseng kim dade ki basngo pher ka jingmut Henry uloong baka dei ka Jingkhlaiñ ka Khroh Briew kamtam na ka Liang ka NPP ula pensyai ru baka ne Baroh kadai na kabenta ka jing yo nong yala de shimet Henry om ya upad ba
Liang ke Kongres benong ba kejing tip te ngiladon kejing tip lupa hi de ba ong ya kalong kendet nang ngilak susu nang do nang por MDC election su ngiladon ki pala pen pau sai ni ba si Baroh ni na kwa man kinti no shawai benong man kendet tinggi kami kendet ndai ke belong pat ke bangim so bagi kwa pen sngau kalong ba labun ki politicians long ki mi na ka parti ndai ba ong ba ki mi na mar ba ki pher ki jis oh ndai ka jing Khroh ka jing Khroh na ka Liang ka NPP Khroh pala ki benefits ki ba ki yo especially ba shu ong na ya jing yo nong simet joki ndai en matau pa ba ka Khroh te ni na parti ngi dan hi kata ka jing mo ba peni bakla long very troubling kata kerukum long ke politik support Meghalaya mentah tingin kwa hi banong pelat ikan ni ndai ban ong ban su peni da kabor jong ke pisah ke te kamdai ke ba le singila ban accept namar ke parti kongres ndai bakayan tang na mentah ke politik su ki don ki jingjia ki ba wat apo ke India mentah armut ki sestar ki syakem no po Chhattisgarh dang menem step no snowy pastor syakem no po Pune te kum gini ki jinja lada mundon kum ki congress leaders ki bayakran Rahul Gandhi ula dakran meneh po parlimen ru ula dap ai bro deh apo status he ru la kran Pyrshah bhahi panggil jinja namta ki kristan tingi yung ka congress hangde ka parti ka ba yang namta ki minorities banong magindo tengimdo na makipat ba kidang bon hi nasusunod sin ay ya ka Millennium constituency na makipat ba por ki vote iki ibaroni ro itip hi ki klam vote tang namata jongi if ki vote ro namata ba kanong dem jok parti namata tu along kumba ila set kala ki banong ba ki party workers jong i ba kumni ki pre tu bon hi ban su ong no ki batre kam politics ki ti mo ki kwa man bot lang hi se e bot udah lidar kram bakin yo ajing yo nong melodi ne ki pai ba ke di masu thu namar kini ki ju hi bre ke meli ya yeng na sha shwa ke election meli Khroh i pai ba tengah trai ngau nong melem ki mbe hi do ta ki di masu thu ba hi ke ke bon kam ke bon kam namar kum ka parti kongres man pisi ong yang ba katolat ta na no namar ba wat ha national level man shwa ke na ha parliament ni mentang la don sis pa ngot ki MPs bat nasungo ba 2029 ni kan sanang klan chu te manong ba congress kan sakhi ra song ben hi hamni hapo ka state jongiru ho an ka jing be pisa ju parti bo pher kala jur palan ka jing penbie kala klan palan ngai i ba wadaki MPs ki ba wan nang thi ki wan kop hamni ba ka pisa ka bala the na po Delhi se Meghalaya kala ki hodo sanspa percent tam tengri kejing keli ke bapak bang dia men keli pan sia ai tu pisah ke jak te panong pinsu penbi iki Briew dak wasna kani wasna tai ba pinle kani kanum poi sia namar ba hakum kum makalong mentah ke education sector jungi ke dia bakhat do ke healthcare jungi kam dai ke ba ngila mani tho sia banong ba ba best kan nami kisnam ki dapat ki bapang ki jingpang ki ba phel taman sumara state lo jong ri pa ba kimla macam jong kata fin depen mensu ong nok mo ke economic kata ke poverty elevation means kumno man pelaj iki Briew na jing duk katali tengah mi ngai ijo bakat nang mi kasni ka jingduk kanang teban menakani ada ke we report aku asam kami nak we ka magazine asam ka ba omba life hope tam persen mo pa ba apo mi halia ki yo ai ketulok ba apo kesan ajar tingkah si benai te se ingin ong kasba ko jungi ka ke te kas pa ka pho sa injo ka pisa ka bawan nang tai ka ja klap se ki pedong kam politician da kani ka ju ka pisa pat ki lithiet da kani ka ju ka pisa pat ki lithiet ki politicians Baroh khai te habang yang padio hi ki lidar ki banget scam ban ong ban ketiu syai ka jai pendio habang yang padan hi ka kata ka jingkwa te ki sukwa taman ya nong no menta te kan kani ketika mencu ong hi na kalian ka parti jungi ni ong si ong ni ba kani ketika kabuk sel yang ban warna hi lidar ki batmai ketika kabuk sel jungi ban penkhut nang ni syakhmat kat ki badang sakut hi ba parti kilang dai hi ki lidar ki badang dan hi ta ka jingkwa ban penpher te ni kwa hi ke ban warna se ki batmai ban penkunti be ki parti te mencu ong kata ki hat jing ba ni yang ni hi ka parti ngim snow pher ngim snow ni wesi iru bai kat chabai lai ila decide hituma ta ain lai kat chabai kwa man lai ne ban ong nakal yang ka parti ni ne pan klan yang hi ni ngidan iba ban phiraru iba ayeng MDC man hagani iklim lo jing yang AA na we mali ha to pot te ngiru ni kwa ban pan klan bang ka parti hopefully kin nang bon ki Briew na malim ki ban so tho ta balasi ka ktien ka tli jung ki Briew kan ya cherum chenen mo ken wan ka ta jing su tho ba blank hakani rukom te kon long because ni don kam sha ni te ban te ka state mundai ban ong chu the pisa ka diang ka ban tamal pindi kita nakaliang ka congress kin nai beteng bet namar ba women petitioner di Baroh ni te mta hai Baroh ni mran chu kala long na lan vai te namar ba Jingkhlaiñ ni to ka KSVE ngathrai nga ketika jingle jung kiru ka jing thiet ye Baroh ni ki jing tani Baroh ni sekiru ngathrai nga di ba ki sutho ba to mo ko duma jung ki khlan ba te mta ngin khabes dam bang to bastam ta mangidan ka jing kerman ba ka jingle jung ki kanang ya hi khmat namar ba kalau unconstitutional fee that banshu skap tingin nung lahi da bansap amal badalong so nung have a fight and say pet pakai hadu bandok
For you all, today we got a resignation letter from our lone Congress MLA Baroh, one of the CLP leader, and his BCC President Richard M. Marvin, Block President, and his General Secretary Ivorwell. So, in his resignation, he mentioned this decision has been taken after the whole consultation with the people of my constituency and my grassroots leaders. It reflects the collective desire of my constituents and local leadership who have expressed the need for a new political decision that better represents their aspiration. This is the letter we got from Baroh, and also he was the spokesperson of Congress party. Today nobody to say here, we are not a spokesperson of the party, but today I represent here on behalf of Congress party as a working president. Here Manuel, he is our General Secretary, media in charge, and here all Congress leaders, Mahila President. Yes, the Congress party today we acknowledges the resignation of our Congress MLA Baroh Lindo, and we appreciate his services he has done during his tenure. I read out his resignation letter, the content, why he resigned. He said in his resignation letter that he is resigning from the Congress party because he was the party, his grassroots workers, party workers they asked him to resign, and it is the desire of the Congress worker in his constituency. Therefore, he resigned as a Congress member and primary membership of Congress, I think he mentioned that way. Today, whatever may be the case, he has taken his decision along with his party workers. We have accepted, appreciate, and we have nothing to say against him. He worked for the party, he was experienced man, worked for the Congress party for a long time. But the reason why he has gone shifted to NPP, it is known to him better. You can ask him. We don't know the reason, but only the letter he has given to us. From there only we have got it today. The party, Congress party, we remain committed to its core values, and we will continue to work tirelessly for the welfare of our constituent people and for the people of Meghalaya. We are not surprised by his resignation. We understood right from the beginning this negotiation happening for a long time. Today, official letter, we got it. However, we are very much confident, grant our party. We will work with our Congress workers in the grassroots. And if any challenges arising out of his resignation here today for the Congress party, it is not going to hamper anything to the Congress party. Congress party, we are ready to restructure, we are ready to revamp the party even without single MLA. Last MP election, there was no MLA MDC in Baroh Hills. We work hard, so at least in Baroh Hills, we could retain these 2 Tura parliamentary seats. Thank you. No, without his resignation, yes, you are correct. I wanted to answer to your question. We did. Our in charge, he came from Delhi and he tried to convince him, he tried to ask what is the reason. That's it. What was the discussion between these two, we don't know. After that, we thought it is all right. But today only we got his official letter in the office. Who make the leaders? We the people from the grassroots. Leader doesn't make themselves. Leader will come out from the grassroots. Grassroots people will vote for the leaders. That's how we become leaders. So we will build in the grassroots level. Now we are restructuring entire Congress workers organization in the grassroots level.
Do you think that Congress?
We no, you are wrong. No leadership crisis. We have Congress president who is always with us, who is working very hard. Not a yes. When you say soft target, maybe yes, I will agree to some extent, because with muscle power, money power, NPP, they are expert in poaching our 4 MLAs, and they are successful in this game.
Why you not prevent that?
See, they are not small kids. They are grown up. They are matured. They know how to take decision, and we cannot bind them in democracy. They know how to take decision. So we cannot answer to that question. You can answer Baroh why he has gone there, shifted to NPP. He has got a better answer. Those 3 who has gone earlier, they have a better answer. We don't have a answer so much to explain you here.
The Congress will never close shop in Meghalaya. That's for sure. I can tell you that for sure.
Who said that? It's you who are questioning us. or the people of Garo Hills. We thought that way only in Garo Hills when we started campaigning, fighting for MP election. We thought we have money like no MP, no MLA. We have nothing. Out of nothing, we got one MP. That means in Garo Hills we closed the shop. No, it is not like that in election. It is not like that in politics. It is the people. In democracy, it is the power of the people. People will decide in election. So we never close our shop. Come, this is our shop only, this Congress power. Every day it is open. You can come and see what is happening in this shop.
Are you part of Hima?
Yes,
I
many
think
joining from Garo Hills. Many ex-MDCs, MLAs, Congress leaders, they are joining to the Congress party.
See, that's the whole point. I think we've been clear with that earlier also. We've given a press release on this, saying that we invite just about any leader who's willing to be a part and parcel with our ethos, with our way of thinking. We're not just inviting people for the simple sake of becoming an opportunist. So if somebody has left us on the principles of not aligning with the thought process that we had for that particular point of time, and left us on very basic principle grounds, definitely. But if somebody has left us because of monetary gain here and there, then why would we even want them?
Want them back. What about Mukusamman?
We don't want to comment, we don't know anything. Maybe he is busy in his own party and party activities.